Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you get ChatGPT. So first of all you need to just use the browser. I'm using Chrome browser. And in the browser you need to search for chat.openai.com. And after searching it, if you don't have an account in ChatGPT, you need to sign up by just clicking the second option. And if you have an account like me, then click login. And after clicking login, here you can see you can just continue with Google, you can continue with Microsoft account, you can also continue with Apple. So I'm using Google. You can choose your account from here. Now after the ChatGPT home screen is opened, you will see something like this. You can chat with the ChatGPT. And in the top left you will see something like ChatGPT 4, which is locked. You need to upgrade it to ChatGPT Plus, but for that you need to upgrade to Plus, which is costly. It is around $20 per month. But there is another way to use ChatGPT 4. You can just go back, and if you are an Android user you can just go to Play Store and search for Bing. I have already installed this app Bing. Now I'm gonna open it. Now in the Bing app, just click the bottom chat icon, and in the middle you will see something like use ChatGPT 4. By just clicking it you can use ChatGPT 4 for free. You can also use ChatGPT by just an app. Again, go to Play Store and search for ChatGPT. I have also installed this app, so I'm gonna open it again. Now you can chat with the ChatGPT AI anything you want. So guys, that's how you can get ChatGPT. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.